Hi, so we've got a lesson about linking pentatonics together. Pentatonics on their own, really useful. Shape 1, amazingly useful. But when you start linking shapes 2, 3, 4 and 5 as well, bringing those into the equation, you've got such a huge span of fretboard to use. So if you don't know the 5 shapes of the pentatonic, first thing to do is go and visit my website, which is dansguitar.com, and you can find the free PDF of the linking chart, which shows you how they all link and map together. That is so useful, so download that. It's all free, so just go along. Yeah, basically we've got 4 licks with this lesson which show you how to do that kind of linking, just to give you some examples of ways to link pentatonics 1 through to the next. Ascending 2 of them and descending 2 of them as well. If you do like this lesson, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell button as well. Share it on your social media and come and visit my social media as well. Tag me in anything that you put me on and comment below with lessons that you'd like to see on this channel. Nice one. So that is it. I'm going to jump straight in with the licks and you can judge for yourself whether you want to learn them. Cheers all. Lick 1 basically uses shapes 5, 1, 2 and 3 in that order, ascending through those shapes. So here it is. You've got the 3 hammer onto 5, the thick string, 3, 5, slide to 7 on that A string, note the fingers, and then you've got 5, hammer 7 on the D string, 5, 7, to the 9 on the G string, then you've got 8, second finger, slide to the 10 on that same string obviously, back to the 8 on the first string, and then third finger, 10, slide to 13. Lick number 2. So this one again is another ascending lick going through shapes 1, 2, 3 and 4 using only the first 2 strings. So this is kind of a linear run going through those 2 strings. So we've got first one is second string, so 5 hammer onto 8, pick the 5 on the first string, 8 pull off to 5 on the first string, and then 8 on that second string, and then you repeat that kind of pattern throughout each shape up to that 4th shape, and including the 4th shape as well. So you end up with 8, 10, that's the hammer, and then 8, 10, pull off to 8, and then 10 on that second string. Next shape is going to be 10, 13 hammer, and then 10, 12, pull off back to the 10 on the first string, 13 on that second string, and then you move it again for the last time of 13 hammer on 15, second string, and then 12, 15, pull off to the 12 on that first string, and then 15th fret with a bend at the end if you really want to. That rhymes. Oh, nice. So this one uses basically shapes 1, 5, 4, 3, 2 and then 1 again. So it goes. 19, 17, and then 19 again. Go to the 17 on that third string, slide it down to 14, 17 on the fourth string, back to the 14 on the third string, sliding that one down to the 12, 14 fourth string, 12 again on the third string, sliding that to the 9, so we're in shape 3 for this one, and then back to the 12 on that fourth string, going to shape fret 9 again, sliding that one down to 7, fret 10 on the fourth string, going to fret 7 on the third string, sliding that to 5 on the same string, and then there's 7 on the D string, and then you've got to run up from that 7 basically as you've just played it to 5, 7 on the G, 5 on the B, and then 8 with a bend to finish that lick. So you end up with you could start this from any point really, so if you didn't want to start it from the first shape, start it from the shape 5. Wherever you feel necessary and the need to do so. And the last lick, lick 4. This one, I love this lick, I think it's really cool. So we've got basically 19, pull off to 17 on the third string, 19 on the fourth string, and then you've got 17 on that second string, slide it down to the 15, so you're skipping a string and then sliding down. Then you've got 17, 14 on the third string, 17, 14, slide down to the 12 on the fourth string, 15, 12 on the fifth string, then you're skipping string again, going to 14, 12, pull off, and then you've got 14, 12 on the D, 15, 12, slide to 10 on the A string, the fifth string, and then it's 12, 10 on the E string, the sixth string, and then 12 on the root note of the A to finish it off on the A string. That makes sense. Here it is slowly. As always, the tab is available on my website, so please do visit that for the tab for this and the 5 shapes of the pentatonic if you haven't already done so. And that is it really for this lesson, so I shall see you soon with another lick lesson of sorts. And yeah, please do hit that bell button, subscribe button, and I shall see you all soon. Social medias and Patreon. The backing track is on the Patreon page. You shall find that out. Nice one. See you later. Bye.